Hey explorers, have you ever seen a plant munching on snacks? No, that's because plants have a secret superpower. They make their own food. How? With something amazing called photosynthesis. Let's unlock the Leaf Lab secret where sunlight turns into sugar. Photosynthesis is a team game. Meet the four champions that help plants cook up food. First is sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, CO2, and chlorophyll. We are the green machines working in the leaf kitchen. Can you name any other gas in the air besides CO2? Hint, you are breathing it. Let's shrink down and enter a leaf. Yes, inside. It's not just green, it's a full-on factory. These tiny green chefs, called chloroplasts, trap sunlight using chlorophyll. It's like a solar panel for the plant. Fun fact, leaves look green because chlorophyll absorbs red and blue light but reflects green. Now is the time to mix it all up, chef style. A dash of sunlight, a splash of water, a puff of CO2. In this process, plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. The green pigment chlorophyll in leaves traps sunlight and uses its energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose. Oxygen is released as a byproduct during this process. So, photosynthesis helps plants grow and also gives us the oxygen we breathe. Just like you eat food to grow tall and strong, plants use the sugar they make to build themselves. That sugar gives energy to grow leaves, build stems, and even bloom colorful flowers. Imagine the leaf as a busy factory. And now look closer. You'll see thousands of tiny doors called stomata, mostly on the underside of the leaf. These stomata are super smart. They open up during the day to let in carbon dioxide, the gas plants need to make food. At the same time, they let out oxygen, the gas we need to breathe. It's like a friendly gas exchange, a trade deal between plants and us. But wait, there's more. When stomata open, water vapor also escapes. This is called transpiration. It keeps the plant cool, just like sweat cools us down on a hot day. Fun fact, stomata open and close depending on the weather. On hot or windy days, they might shut tight to save water. Smart, right? Plants are not just food makers, they are life givers. Every time you take a breath, thank a plant. The oxygen you breathe out comes from the photosynthesis they do in silence every day. You don't need a microscope to see photosynthesis, just look around. It's happening everywhere. One big tree gives enough oxygen for 4 people to breathe. But what happens at night? Do plants sleep? When the sun goes down, the leaf factory closes for the day. Why? Because photosynthesis needs sunlight and there is no sun at night. So what do plants do at night? The stomata mostly close like curtains drawn after a long day. This helps the plants save water and rest. But here's the twist. Respiration still continues. Plants keep breathing, just like us. They take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide at night. No sugar making now, just cell work and energy keeping. When the sun rises again, bam! Stomata open, photosynthesis starts, and it's back to the leaf kitchen. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye-bye.